Welcome to your channel, Slow English for You.
Charlie, are you okay? You look worried.
Yeah, I just paid my credit card bill.
Was it a lot?
$600 just for groceries.
What? 600 only for food?
Yes, only food.
Wow, that's a lot. I spend about 300 a month.
300? Half of mine? How?
Simple. I plan before I shop.
Plan? It's just food shopping.
That's what you think. If you don't plan, you spend more.
So I'm throwing money away?
Not throwing away, but not saving either.
Okay, what do you do differently?
First, I check the flyer.
The what? Flyer?
Yes, it's that paper with pictures and prices the supermarket sends every week.
Oh, that pile of papers in the mailbox.
Exactly. But it's not trash, it's the flyer.
And what do you do with it?
It shows what's on sale.
On sale means for sale, right?
Careful. For sale means available. On sale means cheaper. Discount price.
Ah, for sale normal, on sale cheaper.
Perfect.
Okay, so I check the flyer, find what's on sale, and that's it.
Yes, but you also need to compare. Check prices side by side.
Compare? Like making two prices fight and the winner goes in my cart?
Exactly. The cheaper one wins.
So I'll go to every store. Cheap rice here, cheap milk there, cheap chicken somewhere else.
Good idea, but not really.
Why not? Cheap is good.
Not always. Think about gas and time.
Oh, gas and time.
Right. You save $2 on chicken, but spend 5 on gas.
So I'm not saving at all.
Exactly. You need to think about the overall cost.
Overall cost means the total, gas, time, and food together.
That's right.
Look at this tag. Regular price, $5.99. Member price, $3.99.
That means the lower price is for store members.
Do you have to pay to be a member?
No, it's free. You just sign up.
Really? So the same bread is $5.99 for me and $3.99 for you?
Exactly.
Oh, that hurts.
Then sign up, Charlie.
Of course. From now on, always member price. This salad looks delicious.
Yeah, but it's $7.
And if I make it at home?
If you buy raw lettuce, tomatoes, and cucumbers, it's only $3.
Same salad, half the price?
Exactly. That's the difference between convenience and raw.
Convenience.
Means easy for you, ready to eat, no work.
Oh, so I pay more because someone cut the vegetables for me.
Exactly. Convenience is easy, but costs money.
And raw means natural and cheaper.
Perfect.
Wow, this bread is so cheap, only $1.
It's from the clearance shelf.
Clearance?
Means the store wants to sell it fast. The date is very close.
So, is it expired?
No, it says best before, not expired.
What's the difference?
Expired means not safe to eat. Best before means still okay, just not super fresh.
So, I can eat it today or tomorrow.
Exactly.
Beep. What did you just scan?
My points card.
I thought that was your member card.
It's the same card. It gives discounts and points.
Free points?
Yes, and later you can redeem them. Use them like money.
Wow, I always paid full price.
Time to start using the card. And there's more.
More?
My credit card gives cash back.
Cash back?
It means the bank gives me money back after I pay.
You pay and then get money back?
Exactly. 2% of what I spend.
You saved with flyers, with member price, with points, and even with cash back?
Yep, I save everywhere.
Okay, you win. From now on, I shop like Chelsea.
Okay, Charlie. What did you learn today?
Let's see. 1. Check the flyer. 2. Use the member price. 3. Don't drive to every store. Gas and time are also money. 4. Buy raw food, not always convenience food. 5. Look at the clearance shelf and check the best before date. 6. Use reward points and cash back.
Perfect. Now you're a smart shopper.
Now I know why you spend 300 and I spend 600.
So spend 300 too.
Deal. From now on, I shop like Chelsea.
And if you enjoyed learning with us, don't forget to like and subscribe.
See you next time.